how's it going guys, Waterfall here, and today I'm going to be showing you all of the best Pet Simulator X scripts in the hologram update. And as you can see, these are the 4 best ones right here, but I'm going to have even more scripts in the description for you if you're looking for them. And I'm also going to have a tutorial video in the description as well that's just going to be going over how to get an executor and how to get the scripts. But yeah, so the script over here called Project WD is right now the script with the most features on it, and it also has the best auto farms. And I mean, as you guys can see right now, I'm using the auto farm on it, and it's insanely fast. I'm getting about like 50 million coins per second. If you don't know how to use this, pretty much you select on the select mode, change it to multi-target, over here to select area, and put in whichever area you want. You can also do multiple areas if you want to, so now I'm doing the Candyland and also the temple at the exact same time. And before I show you too much else on this Project WD, I'm going to show you how to use this pet changer, so you can change any of your pets into a huge pet or a Titanic pet or an exclusive. Of course, I'm going to show you with the Titanic here, and the newest Titanic right now is this one, and then also this one over here. For example, if I click on the Titanic Dominus, equip them and re-equip my pets, and see 4 pets right here turn into a Titanic Dominus Astra, and I can actually like ride this, I can use them on coins, and also turn in just some of your pets to something, so let's click on this, and then unequip only this one pet, and as you can see, now we have what's this one called, the hologram cat something. We have a whole team of them, so now we have 4 hologram cats. Do this with a huge, so I can turn them into the newest huge, which is this guy right here. The one that you get from that secret egg, I'm pretty sure. As you can see, we have this huge now. You can see they have a leaked Titanic blobfish that I'm not even sure is in the game yet. Pretty funny if you want to show your friends, you can like screen share and show them that you got all these Titanic blobfish that don't even exist yet. You can also auto farm for chests, you can do a diamond sniper or a lucky block sniper whenever that event comes back. And then use your autos boost so you can automatically server boost and stuff like that. And moving on to the other tab, this is going to be a egg tab, which I can show you right here is about twice as fast as if you were just using normal auto open eggs. And I'm going to show you it with the cafe egg right here, so I'm going to click on cafe egg and then come over here and click on double hatch and then auto hatch egg. And as you can see right here, 16, and boom, is like so much faster than normal. As you can see, we're actually making coins for the egg while we're opening up the egg, so you can pretty much open up these infinitely. And from here, you can also automatically enchant your pets with anything that you want. As you can see right here, I have this pet named Enchanting, and I'm going to try to enchant it with a super teamwork enchantment, so let's click on this right here. And so here it is, it's actually called Teamwork 2 on this GUI, and the name of it will be Enchanting. Now all you're going to do is come over here and click on Start Enchant. As you can see, this enchantment thing is going to start going at an insanely fast speed. And I mean, I'm not going to like sit here and make you watch me get all these enchantments, but as you can see, it's just going to keep on cycling through these until you either run out of your gen limit or when you get the enchantment. Here it is. And it's going to keep going. That gets 1, tech coins 3, agility 2, and super teamwork. And then it's just going to stop, and then you have your enchantment. So yeah, of course you can only do that on pets that are like legendary or below. You can enchant your mythical pets. I'm going to show you this auto index, so if you come over here to any egg area, as you can see, here's your settings, and then you can just click on Start Index Hatch, and it's going to start over here in the tech world, which I guess is the area where I have pets that I never unlocked. So let's see, and open up some eggs over there, open up some eggs here. We're just going to keep on skipping around the world until we get our index up. And you can also delete the pets that you get from this index if you really want to. And this is one of the only GUIs that has a working auto converter right now, and as you can see, I can just be like a little bit near this golden machine. And then you just select the golden machine, select the amount of pets that you want, so I'm gonna convert 5 pets into 1 golden pet, and then click on auto convert. And as you can see here, we should start getting our converter. There we go, this is the first one. There's the second one. The third one, the fourth one, yeah. You can just do this out overnight, and as you can see, I'm gonna go a little bit further away. It's still working. Let's see, it's still working from over here. And it looks like it stops when you get about that far away from it. So you have to be like about this far away. And it's still pretty good. I mean, you could be auto-farming while you're doing this. You could like do it in the dark matter area, you could do it for the fusing, you could do it for rainbow. Or you could also do a golden slash rainbow, which means it's going to start over here at golden, and then it's going to teleport you over to the rainbow one once you're all finished with the normal pets. The auto mastery tab, which is actually pretty useful. If I select a mastery on here, for example, let's do crate, and then we'll do star mastery farm. It should start putting all my pets under these crates. Yeah, so as you can see, it's farming for my complete mastery. And this is actually a lot faster than if you were just going to use a normal auto farm. Because all your farming power is directly focused on these crates instead of like wasting your time on chests when you're only trying to farm that. It'll just do one at a time. And then while we're farming for Master, we're actually getting a decent amount of coins from this as well. You can do this for eggs, you can do this for enchantment, you can do this for anything pretty much. You can go over here to the Deleters tab and actually delete any amount of pets that you want. I mean, if we're being completely honest here, if you really want to delete a bunch of pets, just go like this. And with the new system here, you should be able to highlight them. I'm not sure why my highlighting feature isn't working right now. Maybe I need to enable that somewhere. Here's how the auto-delete works. You can either delete a specific rarity, so I can click on delete basic, and then click on instant delete. Boom. So I didn't actually have any basic pets. Oh wait, never mind, this is actually a hatch leader, so this is like basically the same thing as this. You can go over here and do that, or you can go over here and type in the strength. For example, for this one I would type in minimum of 10,000, maximum of 13,000, then a minimum 10,000, and now if I click on instant delete, it should get everyone deleted every single pet from those two power ranges. So if I do this with max strength of, let's say, 300,000, and I click on this, all those pets right there get deleted. If you really want to make this easy, you can just lock up all the pets that you want like this. So I'm going to lock up all these, and then confirm that, and then we can also lock up pretty much just everything. I'm not going to actually do it though because this is kind of risky, but if you lock all your pets up like this, then you can just do a maximum of like a quadrillion or quintillion, and then just make the minimum 1, and then it's going to delete everything else. So yeah, pretty cool feature there if you want to do that. You also have over here, there's a player tab which just has walk speed, jump power, infinite jump. You can just jump high in the sky, fly around the map. Pretty useful, honestly, if you're trying to get around the map, it's a lot faster than a hoverboard. You can over here, the miscellaneous tab, you can give yourself teleports to anywhere in the game, you can reduce your lag, you can get any hoverboard in the game, so let me show you that with a pretty rare hoverboard called Diamond. As you can see, I have this one now. You can change the speed of your pets, so I can make it a maximum speed now, so they should automatically go to these chests now, instantly. As you can see, if I was to put them on this chest, boom, they just like basically teleport here. You have a stats tracker, which is something that almost everybody uses nowadays, and I don't know why it doesn't work for some reason. I think it might be working on this GUI. Let's check. Click on other. Don't know where it would be on here. If you don't know what a stats tracker is, it just shows you how many coins or gems per hour that you're going to be making from your auto farm. Or sorry, not per hour, but per minute. And then you also have a ton of other stuff over here, like anti-AFK, that's always on by default. You have a new tab, which is just stuff that they just added. And they're just adding this like new version of the script, so it's kind of working a little bit better. And then here's the credits to the GUI, so credits to Walker and their whole team. And yeah, that's all there is for Project WD and the pet changers. And I'm going to show you this Milk Up GUI, so I move this one out of the way. And I'll show you Milk Up. So I'm not going to go over like all the basic stuff like auto farms. I mean, I might just show you it once just to give you an example of how to do this. I'm going to use a single sending mode, and the coin type will be, let's just do closest area and start farming. And as you can see, it's going to start putting all these pets individually onto all these different chests. And again, I don't think this is the best method, because if you want it to be really fast, you should just use a multi-target farm that puts them on here with your best pets and keeps rotating. I think this is still a pretty good method, but as you can see, when I turn this on, it just kind of like moves them around randomly, and it actually slows down the auto farm. Yeah, pretty cool feature. You also have a farming speed changer that you can do on here, which I'm not sure Project WD even had. I think they did, maybe. Okay, this is for super farm, but you don't have any other controls over it. If you scroll down even more, you have a stats tracker, which actually does work on this script, so you can see I'm making about, what is that, like 13 million per minute? Now 17 million, 19 million. You can reduce lag, you can do this for any area in the game. There's your auto egg hatching, and they actually just added a ton of stuff to this script because it's a newly updated and remaking GUI. And before this, it didn't actually look like this. It was like a more well put together script, but now it's a beta version, so it's not actually fully working yet. You can give yourself hoverboards, you can give yourself boosts or silver boosts. And you have the golden machine, the rainbow machine, the dark matter machine, enchanting, daycare, fuse, for you. There's notifications and then automation, which is a really complicated thing, to be honest. You don't really need to do this, but if you're trying to like progress through the game, then I guess you could do that, or if you're trying to like get on the power leaderboard. Yeah, if you want to do this, it's going to say hatch when the available eggs are above X, and for example, when I have enough coins to open up 100 eggs, I would type in 100, and then it's just going to automatically teleport me there. And you can just automatically save your settings if you want to. And then here is the Project BT, or BT Project. It used to be called Blacktrap, but as you can see, they have farming, eggs, pets, which is enchanting, conversion, and fusing. You have the other tab, which has auto open merchant and auto merchant tiers, redeem gifts, or redeem rank rewards. You can actually automatically change your egg stuff straight from the GUI. So you can withdraw and deposit your gems from there, and then you have the miscellaneous tab where you can change your gems to whatever you want. So I can go like this. I can change them. I can change my coins up to like something. Obviously the auto farm should be off when you're doing that. And it looks like I have like an infinite amount of gems. You can do this for anything. I'm gonna mess that up there, but that's what it would look like. And then you can open up any of the GUIs straight from this menu, so I can see how many pets I need. I can open up the fusing machine. You can do the golden machine from here. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe.